Okay. First thing you do is you need to write the equation out in the form y equals mx plus c. And that's a general one. All right. So we also know that the gradient's 8. So m is 8. Y equals 8x plus c. Now the problem is we want to find out what c is, but we don't know what it is. We do, however, have been given a point, 0, 2. So the coordinates we've been given is 0, 2. That's the ones we've been given. The first number is x on your x-axis. The second one is y. So all you do is substitute x and y. You change x and y. Y is 2. So I'm changing my y to a 2. I'm going to change my x to 0. So 8x means the same as 8 times x. X is 0 plus c. You simplify it down. 8 times 0 is 0. My 2, I've not done anything with it, plus c. In maths, we're really lazy. We can't be bothered writing out 0. So c equals 2. Your final equation is y equals, our gradient is 8, x. Now, instead of c, we know what c is. So we're going to substitute the number 2 for it. And that